Hey everybody, it's BC here. Welcome back to Give Me Signs, the channel that helps your brand grow from design to into the customer's hands. So we are slowly growing. We just hit 500 subscribers, guys. Make sure to check out this video. This is where you can enter to win a free iPad stylus, and that will be given away this Sunday. But since we were already in review mode, I was like, hey, let's continue the reviews. So a company reached out to me, guys, a sublimation ink company called Hiipoo. I think this is, can you see what that is? Hiipoo. Anyway, this is the company that sent me some sublimation inks and asked me to check them out. And so I said, of course I'll check them out, because I'm always looking for good, reasonably priced sublimation inks for people to use and recommend. So that's what we are doing today. We have some printouts we're going to print out. We're going to test out what the vibrancy looks like in these inks. And also, I just want to talk a little bit about inks in general. You know, there's a lot of inks out there, guys. If you have a sawgrass, okay, or a dedicated printer that needs dedicated inks, or you're going to ruin your warranty, stick with those. Okay, let me just jump ahead of that. If you are still under warranty using a sawgrass printer, you got to use the sawgrass inks, or else you might void your warranty. So please stick with that if you went down that route. If you are a person that converted an Epson to sublimation inks, the gamut's open to you. So you can use basically any of the inks out there. There are a couple that seem to be popular. One is Cosmos ink. I have not used that personally yet. Maybe those guys might reach out and send me some to try out. So I would like to get a review on that. The only problem with them, they're a little pricey. They're reaching, I think, $70 around there for the whole set. But they come with the Epson caps already on them. So right out of the bag, you're just dropping them right into the tank. So there's a benefit to those. And the color results I've seen are awesome. So there is Cosmos inks. But I've been looking for a more reasonably priced ink, and the inks that I use, actually, this company, Hiipoo, I think that's how you pronounce it, they were one of two that I was deciding on. I ended up going with the other, which is Lucky Sublimation ink, and I love Lucky Sublimation ink. I've had no problems with it, great colors. But I was curious on this inks as well, so I was glad when they reached out, because I thought, hey, this is a great time for me to try these out, because I think that they could be really good. They have great reviews on Amazon. And so I wanted to concentrate on Hiipoo today and get those printed out to see how they look. Again, these inks run, I think $24.95 is what I think they're currently listed at on Amazon. They're under $30 for the whole set. So it's a great, great deal, guys. So we're going to hop in over to the heat press. We're going to press a couple things. I'm going to press just onto a regular 100% polyester fabric just to see what the actual 100% vibrancy is. And then I'm going to press one onto a kind of like a stone gray, kind of light colored poly mixture, which is 65% poly, 35% cotton. And it's that way you can see what they would look like on both materials. So let's hop on over there. Before that, guys, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe if you could, if this content has been helpful to you. Also, head on over to Facebook and join up at the Heat Press Creators Facebook group. We'll be posting videos there, doing giveaways as well. We're almost at 250 people, not 50,000, I wish, but 250 members over there at the group. And when we do, we're going to be giving away a mug that says I am a heat press creator over there. So anyway, let's hop on over to the heat press and let's see how these inks ended up looking. Guys, there's the result. As you can see, the colors are nice and bright. Really impressed with this ink. So for 24 bucks, you can't go wrong. Look at that. I'm going to show you also the shirt as well. And this is how it looks on a Bella canvas. 65% polyester, 35% cotton shirt. As you can see, the colors are still nice and vibrant. A little bit more of a vintage look, but still awesome. So, you know, this is 100% polyester over here, guys. 100% polyester, 65% polyester, and this is a gray shirt. So it's still, the colors still look amazing going on there. And if you're using a 100% polyester shirt, all white, it's going to come out amazing. So yes, thumbs up on this ink. All right, guys. So as you can see, I think these inks look great. I think this is a good recommendation for you if you're looking for a reasonably priced set of sublimation inks for your Epson. Again, if you're using a Sawgrass, stay with the Sawgrass inks, guys, until that warranty's up. Then, you know, you're free to do what you want from there. But I don't know how these inks actually work in a Sawgrass. I don't recommend it unless you know for sure that is okay to do. But if you have one of these Epson conversions, whether it's an Ecotank or a Workforce printer, these will be great, I think, to use. And also, guys, if you could hit the like and subscribe down below, it helps us know what content you guys are responding to and want us to continue to make. And also, if you are on Facebook, join us at the Heat Press Creators Group, where we'll be posting these videos and also doing more giveaways and all that good stuff. So anyway, hopefully this was a good review for you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. And also, you know, give me a sign down below in the comments. I always like to see that. It makes me know that people are watching at least. And I will see you guys in the next video.